In this video, let us see the unboxing of Ambrane 10000 mAh power bank. Alright, so this is the product. The model number is PP11. It is made in India and the capacity is 10000 mAh. It has got dual USB output, dual polymer battery, LED charging indicators, and it has got two types of inputs. One is Type C and another one is micro USB, and the charging output is 2.1 amps. Though the MRP quoted here is 2499, I bought this product for 499. Let us unbox it. Alright, so this is the product. Now let us open it. So the cable that is supplied is a micro USB cable. Alright, so this is the product. This is the power button that shows the amount of charge that is left. A rubberized finish. So here is the model number, PP11. Okay, so this device has got two ports for output and two ports for input, and one port is micro USB and another port is Type C. You can connect any type of cable, either a micro USB or Type C. Both would work. There is a security seal. That's a quick unboxing of Ambrane Powerbank 10000 mAh model number PP11. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.